Welcome to the Thailand International Boat Show, a luxury lifestyle event. My name is Victoria, and during the next 4 days, I will be your host. Follow me round at the Thailand International Boat Show here in Phuket.
To the sky, reaching out, but I can't fly. You said you'd follow me anywhere, but I can't see you. You don't even care. I wanted more than you could give me. You were afraid to see what I see. I see that this was love. I know that
We have yachts for sale, for charter, and plenty of marine equipment and water toys waiting for you. Meet the yacht owners, agents, and the crew, and discover how you can get the very most out of Phuket's stunning sailing grounds. There are so many top brands here at the boat show. Come aboard and see for yourself. Wow. It is a scorcher here today at the 2024 edition, but we have some amazing refreshments here for all tastes, including some amazing Thai food. I'm checking out some more yachts.